All right, so we want to put this mirror on the wall, and we're thinking we're going to use these Command power strips. Now, the thing I'm worried about is if they don't work and the mirror breaks, we're going to have 7 years bad luck. We don't want that to happen.
12 pounds. This mirror is only what, like 4 or 5 pounds? I don't know.
It says it holds 12 pounds, but
Right.
that mirror's like, let me feel it.
What is that?
That's a good like 5 pounds.
Yeah.
So it should work. So how do you do it? There's some instructions, but we don't usually read those.
Remove hanging hardware.
Apparently, you're not supposed to put it on wet paint.
Right. It's
That's
clean.
probably smart.
Separate the strips and
Separate.
then click them together.
Click them together.
So they're saying use 2 sets if it's something, so I only need 1 set. Remove one-sided liners and stick it on the frame. Then you wait 30 seconds
Oh, so it's like a Velcro?
and then you push it on the wall. Yeah, they're Velcro. And then they're removable that comes off the wall.
All right,
then
so
you can remove it.
So you got to put it on here
Right.
first. I'm thinking. All right, this is a test of 3M's product. It's a pretty reputable company. That was hard for me to say.
I don't understand.
Pull them all out. Let's take a look.
They're all the same.
All right, so the thing is that there is a film on this side.
One side sticks to the wall, one side sticks to the picture.
Let's see.
So,
Oh yeah, there you
Where?
gotta push it.
oh, snap. Okay, gotcha.
See that? Watch. Let me show you
Yeah,
again.
I saw.
You go like this and watch.
Yep. Yeah.
And now it's on.
Okay.
So you gotta go like, you're gonna
So
go,
now we're hanging one
you're
side.
gonna put some there.
No, we're not. We're gonna
You want it right in the middle, right?
What?
You want it right in the
We're gonna put it
middle.
on the corner. No, in the middle.
Are you gonna put 2?
You have to put 2 on the corner.
You wanna put 1 on each corner?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay,
So
go
you
ahead, do
stick them
it.
together and put 1 on each corner.
All right.
So it says click them together.
Well, you gotta stick them
Separate
first.
plastic. Click them together.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
And then you put 1 on each side.
Well, you're only gonna put, I was gonna do 2
You
together.
don't need to. It says 6 pounds and under, just the 2 of these on the top. If
Okay,
it's 12 pounds, then they want you to do 4.
okay. All right, so go ahead and put your first part on. So basically, you just put it on here, and then when you put it here, you gotta make sure you got it at the right spot.
So I'll use a level, and then she'll have to stand there and look. So then I
Well, you gotta put it on
with
here.
one side of liner, stick it on the frame.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it right there.
Okay.
And there.
All right, go ahead.
And then you wait.
You don't wait, you just take the other side off
No.
and smush it
then
on.
you stick on frame, press firmly. Then it says remove the other liners, and then press it to the wall, holding for 30 seconds.
Okay,
Temporarily, critical steps to make sure it's holded. Temporarily remove from frame. You peel away. Press each strip for 30 seconds and wait for an hour for it to build, and then you put it back on.
okay. So you have to show all aspects of what you're doing, otherwise the people don't know.
Is there a top or bottom to this?
I don't think it matters.
No. So we'll put one
Get
here.
it right at the top, right at the top,
Yeah.
right there.
Well, I guess there
Is that
at the
good?
top, right?
No, is it? Okay, okay, smush it on.
That's
Oh,
not straight.
so you screwed that one completely. Screwed the pooch. I trusted you. I screwed up.
Can I make it straighter?
I don't think you can pull it off now. Oh, Jesus,
The
you
whole
just tore the whole thing
thing's
apart.
coming off.
Now, my question is, now these will hold 12 pounds, right?
Yes.
But
4
does
of
the
them
paper
holds
hold 12 pounds?
Honey, it's this thing. It's the way it's not pulling this way. It's coming straight down.
I know, but that paper just ripped off when you pulled it.
Yeah, but I yanked
Are
it.
you following me?
Yeah, but it's holding. It's a different. I'm not pulling away. You know what I mean?
All right, so you sure you don't want to put someone down on the way down?
I don't. I don't think so. So now I do this, and I push firmly. Now I take these off, and then we measure and level. So Madison, you're
Well, you
gonna
might
have
want
to
to
stand
measure
up.
and level before you pull that off so you don't get it all sticky.
Madison, you have to stand up and tell me where you want this mirror about.
I'm going to say first, let's mark it and then put it up.
Well, I'm not gonna.
Because now you can't do
Well,
that.
that's fine. Yeah, I can.
You follow me?
Yeah, I do.
All right, so now if you put it, hold it up, and you could mark it.
Madison, tell me where you want this. I
I really just want it there by the AC.
Here, about.
She really just wants it, in the room.
Stand here and tell us how high you want it to be.
Well, she wants to be able to see herself.
Yeah.
So she's
Yeah,
about.
I know that.
So I'm thinking about like this,
Yeah, and then I just want to get a pen.
like right about there,
to mark it.
because that's my height. If it's my height, she's gonna be able to see herself, and she can see her shoes too.
That's probably too high, so let her stand back and look. Where do you want it?
Let me look.
Lower?
Well, you got to
Move
tilt
back.
it that way.
Move, stand.
All right, let's do this.
So now we take the backs off and then I just make that even and then put it on. You know what I mean?
That should be interesting.
Why?
She's pulling those off with her beautifully well manicured nails.
No, they're not.
Okay, here we go. Nothing for nothing.
So it's gonna go right about
That looks good.
there. And then just straight.
Wow. Look at you.
So,
No, other way. That's good.
So there.
Smush it against the wall.
Now you push each side against the wall. Wait. Wait. All right, that's straight. Now take each side and push hard.
Okay, I pushed it. Now
Honey,
the que-
I don't think you have to push.
I'm pushing. I don't want to break the mirror. I'm pushing so
So I
hard.
might have to put some on the bottom too, just to hold it.
Well, you know what you can do? I can hold it like this, and you can slip one under there.
No, I don't have to, because remember we're taking this off.
Oh, you
We're
are?
putting this on for 30 seconds, and then peeling it off, and then waiting and letting them harden for whatever that time is. That ain't going anywhere. That's on there. So, do I need to put them on the bottom? Probably not.
You could put one on the
Might
bottom.
look better, right?
Well, I think it would, it'll pull it to the wall. You
Right.
see how it's
Don't-
sticking
yeah,
out?
don't pull it out. So
I'm
this
not
is
pulling
just-
it out. I'm trying to keep it on the wall. Now we have to pull this off of there and then let this set on there for about an hour
And it says confirm.
and then
set
push
for
it back on.
So now we're gonna take it off.
All right, so you're
lifting
gonna,
it up.
so you're gonna start from the bottom and just
Yeah.
kind of slowly lift it?
Nope, the paper's coming off.
Is it? Maybe we should leave it on.
The whole paper's coming
Maybe
off.
we should leave it on. Maybe we shouldn't take it off. I think it's gonna be fine if we just leave it on. And what I would do is I would just put one on the bottom and smush it against the wall. Just take one of those, shove it on that bottom. You got enough room. I can hold the top here. And then that will, and then we just,
Except for, I don't think it's hitting.
you got enough
Yeah,
room.
yes, it is.
Yeah, you got enough room. And you can do it because it's setting up a little bit.
But I guess I'm gonna bring some super glue and drip the paper. Hold on, let me see.
Did you?
Let go of it. Yeah, I mean, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, so let's get
But
the,
if I pull that paper.
I think if you
off,
put this
it
on the
will.
bottom, you're not gonna have a problem. You got both sides pulled
Oh, I
off?
didn't do, I forgot to put them together.
You gotta put them together. Smush them good.
I can't, 'cause I took this off. I was thinking I was putting one side on and then the other side.
No, you can,
Honey, I know what I'm doing. I just forgot to do that first.
she knows what she's doing. She's a genius. Check out my toes. Looks like somebody put them in a meat grinder. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna lift it, stick it, and then I think we'll be
Yeah,
good.
but lifting it pulls that.
You're just gonna, you're not, you don't hit, it's already like an inch
But I
away.
have to make.
No, go laterally, go laterally.
No, because you're supposed to pull it the other way. No, I can't go laterally.
Why?
Because it says you pull it down. So I'm going like this. I'm just going to stick it in there.
I think you could have gone laterally,
No,
and then you would have more contact on,
that's it. That's fine.
you think?
Yep.
Hold it with your fingers.
Yep.
All right, okay. Let me step back and admire my work.
It's fine.
Damn it, I did that. That was a good job. Oh, you helped,
That
yeah.
ain't going anywhere.
You did.
It's too light. You know what I mean?
Okay. Like I said, if it does fall off, that's 7 years bad luck for Madison, not us.